100 Modern Kitchen Design Ideas. Top 5 Kitchen Upgrades will take your kitchen to the next level. Hey everybody, and welcome to this video, where we'll be talking about top 5 kitchen upgrades that will transform your kitchen into your dream kitchen. We know that the kitchen is the heart of every home, and it is essential to have a functional and beautiful kitchen to cook in. So, without further ado, let's get started. First, add a kitchen island. Adding a kitchen island can create more counter space, additional storage, and add seating to your kitchen. It can also serve as a multi-purpose work area for cooking, meal prep, and even entertaining guests. Kitchen islands come in various sizes and styles, from portable islands to custom-built islands. Here are some things to consider when adding a kitchen island. Choose an island that complements your kitchen style. Make sure there is enough space for the island to fit comfortably in your kitchen. Consider the size and functionality of the island. Will it be used for cooking, storage, or seating? Renovation, painting, or replacement of cabinets. Renovating your kitchen cabinets can give your kitchen a fresh new look. You can choose to paint, replace, or refinish them. Painting is the most affordable option, and you can choose from various colors and finishes to match your style. Replacing your cabinets is a more expensive option, but can add more value to your home. Refinishing is also an option to restore your cabinet's original look without the cost of replacement. Choose a color and finish that complements your kitchen colors and style. Consider the cost of the renovation and your budget. Make sure the new cabinets fit your kitchen's layout and design. Upgrade appliances. Upgrading your kitchen appliances can improve your cooking experience and make your kitchen more energy efficient. New appliances can save you money on your energy bill and reduce your carbon footprint. Here are some things to consider when upgrading your kitchen appliances. Choose appliances that fit your kitchen's size and layout. Consider the features you need, such as a self-cleaning oven or a built-in dishwasher. Look for appliances with an Energy Star rating to ensure energy efficiency. Replace countertops. Replacing your kitchen countertop can transform your kitchen's look and feel. You can choose from various materials, such as granite, marble, quartz, or wood. Each material has its pros and cons, so it's essential to choose the one that suits your style and budget. Consider the durability and maintenance of the material. Choose a color and finish that complements your kitchen style. Make sure the countertop fits your kitchen's layout and design. Add a multi-purpose work area. Adding a multi-purpose work area can enhance your cooking experience and make your kitchen more functional. You can create a space for meal prep, cooking, and even dining. Here are some things to consider when adding a multi-purpose work area. Assess your kitchen layout. Look for unused or underutilized areas in your kitchen where you could add a desk or a multi-purpose work area. Consider the proximity to electrical outlets, natural lighting, and foot traffic in the area. Choose a desk or work surface. You can use a small desk, a countertop extension, or a built-in desk that matches your kitchen cabinetry. Make sure to choose a surface that's durable and easy to clean. Add storage. Incorporate shelves, cabinets, or drawers into your multi-purpose work area to keep your workspace organized and clutter-free. You can use these storage options to store office supplies, cookbooks, or other kitchen accessories. Select comfortable seating. Depending on the size of your work area, you may need to choose a comfortable chair or stool that fits in with the overall kitchen decor. Decorate the area. Make your multi-purpose work area inviting by adding personal touches, such as artwork, plants, or a decorative lamp. You can also choose a color scheme that complements your kitchen design. By adding a multi-purpose work area to your kitchen, you can increase the functionality of your space while also adding value to your home. This type of added space can be useful for work, studying, and other tasks that require a dedicated area. These are some of the best kitchen upgrades that you can do to enhance the functionality and aesthetics of your kitchen. Remember to choose upgrades that fit your budget and lifestyle. I hope that this video has been helpful to you. Please, if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.